Well, good morning and welcome to Southern Port Phillip Bay. It's late April and believe it or not, a lot of people have put their boats away thinking there's no snapper around. Well, I'm here. I'm actually going to show you this morning that there is definitely some good reds to be caught down in Southern Port Phillip Bay. Now, it's very important to keep a diary, and that's because you don't really need to go sounding at this particular time for fish using a sounder. I actually keep marked areas where I catch fish the previous year, and then I return to them year after year after year. And believe it or not, it really does work. Now this morning I got up with Tony, who's the cameraman. Good morning, Tony.
Good morning.
We went out and caught these beautiful squid, and that's exactly what we're going to use for bait to catch these fantastic reds, and they really go hard in this water. Pretty simple. Piece of squid, just in there, and we place that in the water. Now the gear that I use, I don't use mono, I use braided lines 50 pounds, fairly long leader, and say a number 3 sinker is all that you'll need in these waters. A very fast taper rod, a nice reel. I prefer the egg leaders to snapper, and that's all it is. Now what we'll do is we'll throw the bait out, put it in the rod holders, and basically the fish will hook itself. Hopefully you'll be able to see pretty soon. Here's this morning, we've picked our own, we've actually got our own bait. We're talking about braid in the last session. This braid just screamed off. We've already got a red about 8 kilos. The way this is going, I don't know if it is a red, Tony. It could be.
Looks like it.
Look at Eagle Ray, it looks like a red, doesn't it?
Yep.
Look at that thumb. The reason Tony's saying it looks like is because every fish has its own characteristics, or characteristics, however you say it, of the way it fights. And the reds have got that head shake, that quick jerk.
And we have another. Another one there.
Well, mate, make sure you get in the rod bin. Pretty good session. We got up this morning at 4 o'clock, wasn't it, Tone? 4 o'clock in the morning we actually got up, catching our own squid. Bloody good fish, Tony. This is actually fighting better than the other one, believe it or not. And Tony, that this fish might actually be better than the actual one we caught before, if that's possible. That's a pretty good fish, we'll show you that in a minute. Southern Port Phillip Bay, late April. It's fantastic. I'm starting to get a bit of line back. Wish I had my diving gear, Tony. You would have jumped in with this thing. I'm actually going to Darwin in a couple of days' time, fishing with some guys up there. You know what? I can't wait to get back, Tony, because the fishing down in Port Phillip Bay at the moment is sensational.
You got any colour?
Not yet. Come back towards me, so. What a beautiful outfit this is. See that, Tone, then? Did you see that? An indicated snapper. That short, sharp.
Definitely sharp, definitely.
Getting close now to the business end. And this is where a lot of fish are lost, believe it or not.
Should we get the net out?
Well, we're right at the moment. People panic and pull and pull and pull. You ain't going anywhere. Look at that drag. Fish a little bit lighter than normal with the braid, because you've got to have that. You can actually basically have that give. Tony, it is a nice red, mate. Grab the camera over here, Tony.
Yes, I can see some colour there. Oh. My goodness.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
He's just on, you know.
Wow.
He's just on. You want to just, I'll hold that and grab the net. Got it there.
Oh god. He is absolutely huge.
Single hook. Single hook, just got him, mate. Just nailed him. Just nailed him. There you go, Tony. That is it. Result of our fresh bait that we got this morning from the beautiful waters of southern Port Phillip Bay. Just zoom in on that, the head. Alright, our back. That's going to be close to 8 kilos, isn't it? I don't like talking about weights, but I can tell you one thing, it's pretty big.
Bigger than your body, let's put it that way.
Yeah. Alright, let's get some photos, son.
Okay, red or shark, I think it's a gummy.
Going up current, isn't it?
Very small, yeah. Not very big, but it's coming towards me now.
Well, I was just saying to you before, it's very unusual to come to these locations and not get a gummy, wasn't it?
Yes, absolutely, and the way it was caught was funny. We were just lifting it to pick it up and move to another spot, and this is what happened.
That's the way. It's going to go again, so that's alright.
Yeah, it's going to go again.
It's a great outfit.
It's just almost underneath the boat.
Take your time, that's the way.
It's now gone underneath the boat, so... I want to make sure... Yeah, he's gone crazy now. Yep.
Take your time. It's a big gummy. Take your time. Woohoo! Big gummy, mate. Don't pull when he's going, buddy.
Yep. Very interesting.
You're going to see it this time. Over you go, right over. Don't tip over. Take your time. Walk slowly.
That's definitely a gummy.
Yeah, definitely gummy. And it's a big one too. Extend, go back. That's the way. Well, you got to think ahead, mate. I've got a banjo just sitting there. I'm just going to get that away in a sec. Tony, you're going too hard. That's the way, slowly.
He's trying to get out. It really caught me under surprise because I didn't see the first movements that are usually the characteristics of the gummy. So yes, I can see colour now come around. Just right underneath the boat.
Come on, mate. Oh well, you gave it too much too soon.
No, he's actually